Pharmacy is science and practice of discovering and preparing and dispensing medicines. Pharmaceutical science is my profession and teaching is my passion. Hello, I am Dr. Lakshman Puli and I teach pharmacology, which basically is the science of what drugs do to the human body. As a pharmacy teacher, my primary focus is to continuously motivate my students to think critically and explore their interest in every natural manner. Furthermore, not only just acquiring the new knowledge, we also emphasize on students' ability to deploy knowledge and skills wherever needed. And this is very much needed trait for those aspiring careers in pharma companies. We have established a seamless student-teacher interface which enables us to engage students both inside as well as outside classrooms. And to be frank, regardless of current COVID-19 situation, we have been regularly conducting our lectures, albeit on an online platform as per the schedule. And this new experience has been more fun and interesting at the same time, while we make most of the time we have at our disposal. As a drug researcher, I pursue novel drug mechanisms for Alzheimer's and other brain disorders, and it gives me immense pleasure to share my skills and train my students so that they can take on the challenges of drug discovery and development. Further to our academic routine, every week we do bring in specific domain experts from pharma companies who interact with our students and give them a glimpse of real-life challenges involved in day-to-day pharmaceutical operations. This, in addition to our state-of-the-art laboratories, excellent library, and access to multimedia in classrooms itself, offers students a wide range of learning abilities to choose from, thus making learning itself a joyful experience. I wish all current students, faculty, staff, and management of NMIMS University very best in their future endeavors. I encourage prospective students to learn more about our pharmacy school, which is one of its kind in the states of AP and Telangana. Thank you, and you're most welcome to School of Pharmacy and Technology Management, Hyderabad.